Good morning, one and everyone. We have seen in chapter 2 linear correlation, Kyle-Pearson coefficient of correlation. Today we are going to see the method in which x bar, y bar or both x bar, y bar in the fraction value as well as the values of x are given in terms of decimal point, that is in fraction, means we have to transform or convert x and y in terms of U and V so the data can be minimized or data reduced. Data for x, that is said in crores of rupees and profit in thousands of rupees, given as 1.6, 2.2, 1.9, 2.0. This is the example of textbook, page number 79, example number 12 in Silvester Central. And data for y, that is data for profits are 4200, 5500, 6000, 6200 and so on. In such type of example, we compute first of all x bar and y bar. X bar is sigma x upon n, 18 upon 9, the value is 2.0. And y bar 50,500 upon 9, 5,611.11. Here x bar is integer, but y bar is in fraction, that is in the decimal point. So what we have to do? Data series x is given as 1.6, 2.2, 1.9, 2.0, 2.3, etc. Therefore, for calculating u, multiply the series of x by 10 and then subtract 20 from each of the value. 1.6, if you multiply 1.6 by 10, if you multiply this number 1.6 by 10, then it becomes 16. 16 minus 20, it becomes minus 4. 2.2, if you multiply 2.2 by 10, then it becomes 22. 22 minus 20, it means 2. 1.9 multiplied by 10 means 19. 19 minus 20 means minus 1. 2.0 into 10 means 20. 20 minus 20 become 0 and so on. Same way calculate u. U and V are used to minimize or to reduce the data of x, and V is used to minimize the data for y. Now see the data of y. 4,200, 5,500, 6,000, 6,200 and so on. Each value of y is divisible by 100. See, 4200, 5500, 6,000, 6200. Each value of y is divisible by 100, and that is why v taken as y minus 5,500 upon 100. First of all, we have to subtract 5500 and then it should be divided by 100. So data can be minimized. 4200. Now subtract or cut 5500 from it. If you subtract 5,500 from 4,200, it becomes minus 1,300. Upon 100, the value becomes minus 30. 5,500, naturally it becomes 0. Subtract 5,500. 6,000. From this 6,000, first of all, subtract 5,500. It becomes 500. 500 upon 100, common factor 100. See, once again, data series y, the common factor is 100. Therefore, after subtracting particular value, 5,500 or whatever maybe you take, then it should be divided by 100. So 6,000 minus 5,500 means 500 upon 100, 5. 6,200 minus 5,500, 700 upon 100 means 7. 5,000 minus 5500 minus 500 upon 100 become minus 5. 6,700 minus 5500, it becomes 1200. 1200 upon 100 means 12. After computing u and v, after calculating u and v, u square usually we prepare. U square, v square means u into v. Minus 4 square is 16. 2 square is 4. Minus 1 square is 1. 3 square is 9. Minus 3 square is once again 9. Minus 2 square becomes 4 and so on. V square 169 means minus 13 square. 5 square means 25, 7 square means 49, and so on. And finally, last column would be u in v. Multiplication, that is product of u and v. Minus 4 into minus 13, it becomes 52. 0 multiplied by any number, 0 multiplied by any number becomes 0. 2 into 0, 0. 0 into 7, 0. Minus 1 into 5, minus 1. Now, after completing table, make the totals manually as well as by calculation or calculator. Make use of calci also. Calculation of u and v. 10 times x minus 20. So it becomes integer value. After completing this table and making the totals, calculation of Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation by the product moment method. R is given by Rxy equal to n times sigma u into v minus inside the bracket sigma u into sigma v upon root of square root of n times sigma u square minus sigma u complete square into another bracket n times sigma v square minus sigma v whole square, bracket complete. Now substitute the value. UV total is 121, therefore 9 into 121 minus 0 into 10 because total of u is 0 and total of v is 10 upon root of 9 into 60 minus 0 square into another bracket 9 into 500 minus 10 whole square. Now simplify. 9 into 121, 1089 minus 0 upon root of in the first bracket 540 in the another bracket 4500 minus this 100 square of 10. Further simplification 1089 upon root of 540 into 4400. So it becomes 1089 upon 1541.43. Answer will be 0.7064. As the third digit after the decimal point is more than 5, therefore it becomes r equal to 0.71 approximately. As this answer is more than 0.50, more than 0.50, therefore degree becomes high degree. And as the answer is positive, the variables are said to be positively correlated. Therefore the conclusion or the interpretation will be, since r equal to 0.71 approximately, variables or variance x and y are said to be positively correlated under high degree. If the answer becomes 0.90, 0.95, then extremely high degree. This is the example of our textbook, page number 79, example number 12. But you must practice minimum 5 number of the example. Minimum 5 number of the example of same type. Therefore, in the examination, if it is asked for 4 marks or for 5 marks, then this table, correct table will give you 2 marks and the calculation will give you 2 marks. So please be practiced, and in the next lecture we are going to see the last method, that is the Spearman's method of coefficient of rank correlation. How to assign the rank, how to calculate the rank correlation coefficient, and how to interpret the answer, whether there is agreement or disagreement between the judgment of the two judges or not. Therefore, be practice such type of example. Thank you everybody. Thank you so much. Okay.